Hi, GoPro have just released a new firmware update. It's for the new lens mod, which I haven't got and probably not likely to get. But anyway, there's a version 1.20 now, firmware update, which also has various other improvements to the system as well. So let's take a look and update the software in the process. So here's the procedure. I'm doing it via my SmartAss phone and the Quick app. First, make sure you have a fully charged battery on both devices. Turn on GoPro and phone, check Bluetooth settings on the phone, and pair to GoPro. On GoPro, go to Connections. Make sure your wireless connections are on. Touch Connect device, then GoPro Quick app. Assuming you have the Quick app on your phone, make sure your phone and cam are close. Maybe not that close. Enable Quick app, press Control GoPro and wait. Yeah, keep waiting. Camera update, info available. Check it out, version 1.20, and read the bump. Then press update, accept legal disclaimer, and join. I sped this bit up, but some 6 seconds later, unable to join popped up. Am I surprised? No, I'm not. Try again. Well, surprise, surprise, unable to join network. No kidding, more waiting. Saving you the will to live, I speed up again. Once again, no deal. Okay, time to reboot the phone. Check Bluetooth and wireless settings. I check GoPro connectivity again. Go through the quick rigmarole again on the phone. Losing the will to live is all part of the game with Wi-Fi and Bluetooth. And 12 seconds later, but only 3 seconds for you, dear viewer, success! It took around 30 seconds to transfer the files to the cam, woohoo! But touch nothing until the final message, because it's still updating. If your device batteries went flat now, it could be curtains. Oops! Another minute or so of processing and we're there at last. Whew. Well, I updated it. Bit of trouble at first, as you saw, but eventually it paired. I did it through the app, obviously, and as you can see, I had a bit of an issue with that connecting. I don't know, they're always flaky, these Wi-Fi, Bluetooth setups, aren't they? I tried a quick shot afterwards of the sky, locking the exposure, seeing if the highlights were more retained, but of course unless you have a before and after, there's no way of telling now. But hopefully it'll make an improvement to help not blow out skies too much, overexposed, you know. But there's one strange thing. Where's the 30 frames per second? I can't find it on here. It wasn't on here before, and I can't see it on here now, anywhere. So I haven't got the elusive 30 frames per second. Not that I normally use it, because I mostly shoot at either 25 frames per second or 50, mostly. So, yeah. Anyway, hope you enjoyed it, folks. Please subscribe, bash the bell, and I'll see you next time. Cheers.